Hey, what's up everybody, Kid and White here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Pixel 2's camera mode in HTC U11's camera and also some of the other HTC phones. Here are a few contenders for best smartphone camera of 2017, and many would argue that the Google Pixel 2 and the 2 XL were the best mobile shooters. That's thanks in large part to the phone's exceptional combination of camera hardware with Google's prowess in image processing software algorithm. Google camera with the HDR Plus technology have been shown for dramatically improve the picture quality of budget phones like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 and flagship phones like the Essential phone. And now this camera mode is ported to some of HTC phones running Android 8.0. I will drop the link in the description box below. You can test it with your HTC device running Android 8.0. Guys, it's a very simple procedure. You just need to install the camera app in HTC's devices running Android 8.0. Then your phone will capture incredible portrait shots and incredible pictures. You don't need to make any changes in camera department. Just install the app and start using the portrait mode functionality. Having said that, here are some samples which I took from HTC U11's camera. So guys, this was a quick video to let you know that you can install the Google Pixel 2 XL's camera mode in your HTC devices running Android 8.0. Having said that, that's it for the video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.